Hey y'all, welcome to another video. For those of you who are new here, I am Tokyo K. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We jumping straight into this. So let's get it with the steak. Sirloin, of course. I got my seasoning for y'all, that corn on the cob. I got my seasoning. I'm making Mexican street corn for the first time actually, and let me say I wowed myself. But hold up, first things first, we gotta wash our meat. Very important.
Look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over even when you're gone.
Y'all, let me put y'all on that garlic parmesan butter hits so different. Like, listen, I'm speechless. I don't even know how to describe it, but just run and go get this at any supermarket where you can find either roasted garlic herb butter or garlic parmesan. That one is garlic parmesan, and when I tell you it enhances the flavor because it's flavored butter, there's a total difference. Thank me later. So I'm letting this steak cook, as you can see, and comment below how y'all like your steak. I personally am a well done girl, medium well type of girl. I just started getting into the medium well. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. But yeah, dry steak is not it. Off camera, I went ahead and added some dry Italian herbs to that sour cream and mayo mix. It's definitely better, and I know that's what I see the authentic Mexicans do. They actually add the herbs to it after, I believe. I'm not sure. Y'all, making this was it was a little cringe because it's messy. Like, as you can see, like rolling it around in that mix with your hands is like, and I'm slightly OCD, but oh my gosh, it was so good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. You made me wanna go. You made me wanna that sums up this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that steak. It was juicy. See you next time. Thank you for watching.